Hello everyone, welcome back to a new video here on Let's Walk Around Stockholm. Another day, another walk. You know it, yes. Good to see you all, people. I am here visiting a friend in Örnsberg, which, if you ask me, is a pretty epic name because it means Eagle Mountain. Where do you live? I live in Eagle Mountain. I think that's a pretty good name for a kind of sleepy suburb here in Stockholm. It is on the red metro line, which is complete unknown territory for me. I mean, I know the green line pretty well, I know the blue line pretty well, but the red line is something I should explore way more. Like I've said it before, after 700 videos, I'm not even halfway done with Stockholm. I haven't even scratched the surface yet. So yeah, today I'm in Örnsberg and I was like, let's do a little video. As you can see, plenty of snow here. So yeah, I went to visit a friend and now I'm on my way back to the metro station. If I can find my way around, that's always the big question. What's this called? Torsten Almsgata. Torsten, I mean, not Torsten. Yeah, I don't really know how to pronounce that. Lots of snow here. And there's a nice classic Stockholm vibe to it. These apartments that you've seen in many of my videos. 3, 4, 5 stories high. And stairs with different levels, you know it. It's a bit warmer today, as you can see. That looks a bit like slushy, slusk, as we say in Swedish. And I have to be really careful down these stairs because I'm wearing regular sneakers and I don't want to fall over. But during the night it's still quite cold, so the snow doesn't disappear. It's not actually snowing right now, which is good because I was a little sick of it after a few days straight. Last night it was again snowing. Okay. Nice. A lot of big mature trees here. So this walk wouldn't be too long because I'm still with my knee, but I don't want to bring that up every single time. On the 23rd I have a new appointment. Alright, this is a school, I guess. It's just a matter of finding the pizzeria. Yes, I haven't done any of the suburbs walk lately. This bird thinks it's April. It's obviously not, although occasionally we do get snow in April. Yeah, we do actually. So yeah, let's do more walks on the red line. Red line is a quite nice mix. You know, it starts off with the ones on Södermalm. You know, we've got Zinkensdamm and Maria Torget, etc., etc., and then we go to Liljeholmen. We kind of go outside of town, and it goes a long way, all the way to Norsborg and things. And yeah, I have really no clue about these areas. I think the metro's over there. Oh, cool how they painted them all in different colors. See, it's like red, grey, green, yellow. Nice. I've tried to recall if I've ever been in Örnsberg. I forgot to say this is actually the Aspudden area. So it's like located in Aspudden. So Aspudden itself I've been. Can't really remember what I was doing there. think I had a falafel once in Aspudden. Don't ask me why. It's just a memory that suddenly came back to me. By the way, thanks on the support on the latest snow videos. It seems you guys really enjoy the real wintry weather here. Oh yeah. Ooh, someone has not thrown his Christmas tree out yet. I see a lot of elderly people with their like walking thingies, and they're really struggling. Ooh, there's a pizzeria. It's called Glada Hörnan, which means the happy corner. That's a pretty cool name for a pizzeria, if you ask me. What's this called? Stenkilsgatan. This is probably the local water hole where people drink their beer. It depends a bit on the license, so don't let this is usually a disguise. Like a lot of these pizzerias are just pubs, but the thing is they need to serve food to get their alcohol license, so that's why they usually, I mean, they do sell food, but usually they're not very good. It depends a little bit. Glada Hörnan. Nice. So yeah, I think the station is around here somewhere. Ooh, it's a bakery. Nice. Hey. Örnsbergs hembageri, kaffebröd, smörgåsar, tårtor. Yes. Hey. Okay, let's go in here. Oh, they even have a little outdoor section here at the bakery. That's pretty cool. Let's see if they have a little bit of a center here as well. Oh, they got a coop, or as we say in the Netherlands, the co-op. It's funny because we have a chain of supermarkets as well in the Netherlands, which are basically the same, but the logo is different, and yeah, it's just a completely different place. Oh, the tube is over there. I kind of like the feeling of this area. It looks at all the different apartments. Feels nice and relaxed. Almost a bit sleepy, but you know, the atmosphere in the when it's a lot of snow always feels a bit more relaxed than usual. Oh, it's open until 11 p.m. That's good. All right. So I made it to the tube here. Let's see what we've got here. A bit of a higher building. Usually it's kind of the same. There's usually like a pharmacy, a pizzeria, all kind of stuff. I got another pizzeria here. The entrance of the subway. What do we got here? Oh, a little stand. Oh, ny öppning, torsdag 8 januari. Oh, they're reopening the supermarket today here. Nice. Right, some more apartments. Pressburon. Right, let's go into the subway and then round it up. As I said, I don't do too long videos because of my injury, but I hope you guys still enjoy it. Alright, Örnsberg, Eagle Mountain, thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one.